Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan. Now you guys may have picked up, we are in a new space. One of my most recent videos I spoke about selling our house and getting into a new one, and well, this is the new one. I know it actually looks like I've just built like a woodworking shop to suit my carpentry channel, but no, this is the garage that came with the house that we bought. So it kind of fits that carpentry aesthetic. I got the drill press in the back, got the bench vise here. It's dusty as fuck, but yeah, it's been a minute between videos. I've been moving house, but I do have something exciting for you guys. So a few months ago, I had my PASLODE pin gun stolen from my ute by, let's say, some drug enthusiasts. So I've been in the market for a new one, and I keep seeing everyone using the gasless guns, and yeah, I was keen on trying one out. I was doing all my research. Do I get the Hikoki? Do I get the Milwaukee? Do I just pick up another PASLODE? You know, after a lot of deliberation, I ended up with this. This is the Milwaukee finish nailer, and this is their framer. I figured I should buy them both. Now, I've only had these guns for maybe 4 weeks now, so this is going to be a first look video. I'm going to give you guys my initial impressions coming from a guy that's only ever used PASLODE. I think this is my first time using a gasless gun. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys my first impressions. All right, so let's look at the finish nailer first. Pop the clips on that bad boy. Okay. Should get a top-down shot for that. All right, so firstly, the finish nailer. This is the M18 FN16GA. It runs on the M18 battery system from Milwaukee, and it shoots 16 gauge nails. Now this is an angled brad gun. They do also have a straight brad gun, which comes in 18 gauge, I believe. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to buy that soon too. A 2 amp battery can get you 750 rounds. This gun is a 20-degree angle bradder. Good for getting in tight corners. As I said, it fires 16 gauge nails, ranging from 32 to like 63 millimeters. The magazine holds 110 nails, fires up to 3 rounds a second. That's in sequential mode, and the bump fire mode comes with a little rafter hook. It weighs in at 2.9 kilos compared to 2.13 kilos on the PASLODE. And you can pick this one up for $699 for the skin. The PASLODE is $799, but it comes with 2 batteries. It's pretty well weighted. It does feel a little hefty, but it's honestly, this is sweet. If you're struggling with this, I don't know what to tell you. You got your on and off button down here, nice little rafter hook, and this to me feels really nice in the hand. Now for the big boy. So here I purchased this one in the kit, which came with a rapid charger and 2 3 amp lithium ion batteries, which was good for me because I don't have anything Milwaukee, so this is gonna get me started. All right, and this is the M18 FFN, and yes, this one packs a punch. Now this runs on the same M18 battery as the finish nailer. It's got tool-free depth adjustment up the top here. Shoots 30 to 34 degree clipped or full head nails. They range from 50 mil to 90 mil. Now it's got a max fire rate of 3 nails per second, which is probably enough for me. It's got the sequential fire mode and the bump fire mode. The bump fire mode by holding the mode button just here. The light switches over to this. All you have to do is keep your finger on the trigger, press it down once, and tap the nose of the gun. And all of those nails have been driven in. Which is a lot of fun actually. Just pumping out nail after nail. It's got 0 ramp up time, which is very nice. It's got a rafter hook, and of course it doesn't take any gas. Now, the elephant in the room is this gun. It's really pretty heavy. It weighs in at 4.4 kilos compared to the PASLODE, which is closer to 3.3 kilos. You can pick the PASLODE up in a kit for $949, which comes with 2 batteries. Or you could pick this one up in a kit for $988, and yeah, comes with the 2 batteries and charger. So this is only $40 more expensive than the PASLODE, but surely the money you save in not buying gas, you're gonna make that back fairly quickly. Let's try a bit of hardwood into an LVL. It doesn't get much harder than this. Let's see what happens here. PASLODE. Milwaukee. PASLODE. Milwaukee. Alright, the Milwaukee nails are sunk below the surface. The 2 PASLODE nails are sticking a 35 to 45 mil out. So I think that speaks for itself really. That's how much the PASLODE left the nail sticking proud of the timber. And that is what the Milwaukee did. With the PASLODE framing gun, everyone knows that they are absolute weapons. I've had mine for 5 years. We have another one kicking around that's probably 10 years old, and the thing just never misses a beat. They really are so good. They just work all the time. That's exactly what you want. However, when it comes to the PASLODE brad nailers, how do I say this? Let's put it this way. When mine got stolen out of my car, I didn't even report it stolen, and I didn't bother getting another one. I feel like that's always a good test with the tool. If it got stolen, would you replace it? And the answer for me with the PASLODE brad guns is no. Not the angle gun anyway. The straight bradder is definitely better. Now, the benefit of jumping into this Milwaukee ecosystem, now I have a charger that can charge the 18-volt batteries as well as the 12-volt batteries, is that now it's super easy for me to go and grab a skin. You know, Milwaukee have such a massive range of tools. Whatever I can't get in Bosch, like, you know, an 18-volt router, I can just go and pick up in Milwaukee. I've already got the batteries, already got the charger, and you know, Milwaukee's releasing a new tool, well, feels like every other week. So now with this finished nailer, I have been incredibly impressed. This thing, I just love it. I've been using it on a lot of design pine for, you know, Hampton style balustrading. Obviously it shouldn't struggle through that, but it's been solid. It's been really, really consistent so far. The framer, it's definitely heavy, and if you were, you know, working up over your head for 4+ hours a day, you probably would really appreciate the cut in weight that the PASLODE gives you. But for me, it hasn't been an issue so far. And same thing with this one, it has been super solid so far. And you can definitely feel the framer has a lot of power as well. It's got a lot of kick and it always drives those nails. Time will tell on this one. I'll report back in a few months. I'm about to get into a fairly massive home renovation, but there'll be more on that later. But yeah, I'm going to be giving both of these guns a really, really good run in the coming months. So if you want to see an update, stay tuned, hit subscribe, hit like, all that good shit. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. You want to hear something funny? So literally the day after I bought these guns, I was like in the process of registering them and jumped on the Total Tools website. What do I see? Bosch just released a pin gun. Yep, like one day after I purchased this. So yeah, that was cool.